How to turn off dark mode on ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change your ChatGPT into light mode. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up ChatGPT app and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see right here, I have a dark mode turned on. So if I just type in anything, uh, it will give me the answer in dark mode, and all of the theme of the app is in dark mode. So what you can do here is tap on the two lines in the top left and then simply tap on your profile. Then you can go to personalization, and here you can find memory, custom instructions, and then your color scheme. Tap on it. Now you can choose three options here. So if you choose the light mode, it will automatically turn into light mode if you tap OK. And if you set this to system default, it will set this according to your system. So if your system has light mode turned on, which I have right now, it will be light mode. And if you have turned on the dark mode, the app will also go to dark mode. But if you just want to make sure that you always want light, just select light and OK, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.